to YouTube channel English Hub by Lakshmi. How are you all? I hope all are doing great. Today I'll introduce an interesting, amazing, and a very famous person, Ashutosh Trivedi from UP. Yeah, could you please introduce about yourself, Ashutosh?
Yeah, exactly. Of course. Firstly, I would like to pay thanks to you, Lakshmi, for inviting me on your YouTube channel. I'm just really, I think, thankful, first. And about my introduction, my name is Ashutosh Dwivedi, and I'm from Uttar Pradesh. And about my qualifications, I can say that I'm a student of BCom Honors second year. And even though I have been also running a YouTube channel for 4 months, like Lakshmi ma'am, so that's why I'm really happy to be here. So thank you.
Yeah, thanks a bunch, Ashutosh, for me to be a part of in my YouTube channel. And first of all, I want to introduce myself also. My name is Lakshmi, and I'm from Andhra Pradesh. And professionally, I'm a teacher. But currently, I'm not doing anything. Even I am also running YouTube channel. Yeah, this is all about me. And today's our like an interesting. We are going to discuss an interesting topic. Like birthdays. Do you like birthdays? Like parties?
Of course, I do like it because I used to live in a hostel, so that's why birthday is a kind of occasion and festival for us, and we were enjoying a lot for the parties, right? So yeah, I do like this topic. Of course, I'm quite happy and really interested to talk about it.
Exactly, exactly.
Yes.
How do you like no? You celebrate like a birthdays in your city?
Okay, of course, if this is the question, in my right now I'm in my village, so the people they do have the sincere manner of celebrating the birthday. They're just calling and they're inviting to the few people, few kids. After that, they are just arranging the things in their home and they're providing like stuff like biscuits and cookies and candies and some kind of cakes and like stuff and might be some kind of arrangement for the food as well. But if you're talking about my city, not. But when I was in the hostel, we were we were celebrating birthday by beating to the birthday boy, and we were beating a lot. We were just eating cake, even though we were not providing to the birthday boy. That was a kind of scenario, and that was totally different from home and a kind of cities. Because in hostel, the people there, I mean to say, students, they are enjoying a lot. There is a no barrier. But in my home and in my hometown, they are making this kind of arrangements, and they're inviting to the people sincerely and they are just enjoying it. That's all from my side on this question.
Great, great. How do you celebrate your birthday?
My birthday, to be honest, I'm really hiding whenever I'm getting my birthday because there is a need of lot of money. If I will tell to my friends, they will say party, man, party. So of course, I think for that, yeah. But I would like to celebrate when I'm coming. Like I visited whenever I would like to visit my family. My family members they are making like arrangement. My sister is I think just bringing some kind of sweets and candies and a kind of cakes and we are just decorating little bit like from the like birthday and the written birthday and except that we are just purchasing balloons little bit dance and party and with the sisters and family members that's all and the photo shoots this is more than enough in my birthdays.
Great, great. What is your best birthday memory?
About my best birthday memory, I can say that recently I just last year when I came to I've been to said due to COVID I came back. It was from the last 8 years because I was used to live in a hostel, so I got a chance to celebrate with my family members and I enjoyed a lot. Last time I think that was in August, might be August 2020. So I think I did dance. I enjoyed a lot, and they were my I think family members like my aunt, my uncle, and like my cousins. So I enjoyed a lot, and that was the last birthday I will say that because I joined hostel in 2012, and after that I was not getting a lot more chances to celebrate. But when I came back in 2020, it was a kind of grand celebration for us. Hmm.
Great, great. What is your like worst birthday memory? How you feel like worst? Like up to now.
Yeah, worst. I can't say that, like birdies never worst actually. But the thing is that, I'm not remembered the worst birdie, but sometimes when we are getting less than our expectation, because when
Yeah.
I was a kid, I was expecting lot more gifts, lot more money and something like that. But when I wasn't getting that much, I was quite sad. So maybe in the childhood when I was expecting a lot, but I was not getting that much gifts from the people that was you can consider as a worst birthday. So yeah, but nowadays I'm quite I think just I don't like gifts. It's okay to okay. Yeah, I would like to do fun. That's enough.
Great. Have you ever had a surprise party, like a birthday party for yourself, like your own or your, like your relatives or friends?
Sir, surprise. There is no surprise party from my side.
Okay.
Before 1 month, the people they are calling birthday, birthday. So there is no surprise. It means I think from the people they will you just tell you like the date is coming, the date is coming. So nothing is surprise, and I'm living in a village, so that's why the culture is not matching with the cities like that. In cities, the people they are doing like surprise parties. Oh, I think just close your eyes and get your room with just light and like that. But in the village, it's quite normal, and the people they know, of course, they are aware before a week as well, right? That's this
Exactly,
from my
exactly.
side.
Yeah. Like how, what you will do like you on your birthday date, like a birthday. How, what you will do like that works or like wherever you will go, where do you want to go? How you celebrate?
Yeah, I I will go from upper apartment to lower apartment because
Okay.
mostly I'm living in my room and that is in the second floor. So I will go in the ground floor and I will enjoy with my parents. I don't have any habit to go out, and in this COVID, you can understand there is no need to go out, and we can't plan to go outside. It is also expensive as well. So
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
why I will go with my family members in the ground floor, and I will do fun, and there will be like a buffet and some kind of music and the cake and something like that, photo shoot and something, and I will come back to my work. That's all. But I don't have any habit to go out in the parties like gardens, picnic, mom, dad, not like that. So,
No, no, not now, Ashutosh. And like before, like before lockdown, before COVID-19, like how, like where do you want to go on your birthday date?
but it mostly we are celebrating on like in our homes. I told you because we are inviting to our relatives and we are inviting to our family members. So that's why there is a need to be just like you do in the home actually. So that's why rarely I would like to go outside on birthdays. Mostly I'm not going. Yeah.
Great, great. Like somehow, some people like to go like temples, or some people like celebrate with their friends or something like that. That is the reason I asked to you. Good, good.
But I am fearing from expenses.
Okay, okay. What is the best memorable gift to like you received from your friends or from your parents or like yeah, anyone of you?
Yeah, I was expecting a lot, but I was not getting that kind of things. Whatever I was expecting, the most memorable gift was like money only, like money with the hands. Everyone was giving money, and I was just collecting my hands in the pocket. So that was the one of the best gift. Money is the one of the best gift for the people because whatever you want, you can purchase from money, and so that's good for me. And even though sometimes I was getting good raise, and I mean to say t-shirt and the pants that I was liking. That was the one of the best gifts because in the childhood I used to wear clothes and I was liking this kind of gifts. Hmm.
Do you like not like to like go to work or like now you are like just imagine you are doing job, okay, on your birthday, like do you go to work or like how you like you are staying at home, you prefer like staying at home or you want to go work, do you work at outside?
I would love to go to work as birthday as well. There's a no need to take off. I think we can come back at the evening and we can enjoy that stuff. And because in my school time, if there was a classes, I was never leaving that day. I mean to say that I would love to go, but in the evenings we can do celebrate. That's more than enough. Yeah.
It means you are a sincere student from childhood onwards up to now.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what is the meaning of sincerity, but whatever it is, I'm continuing.
Great, great. Like, like, whenever like, our birthdays on our birthdays, like some people don't like to go anywhere. They're just simply staying at home or like some temples and they will cook something, they will, no, eat something like that. Yeah, it's like, from your childhood, you don't like to, escape from that school or escape from your work. It's a great thing.
Thank
Good.
you. Yeah.
Yeah. If you could celebrate your birthday, that way you want to, what you would do? Like your wish, like you just know I have to do something, like I have to celebrate with the guys and I want to go somewhere. And
Exactly. Of course, I
how
would
you
love to go in a picnic place, and I would love to enjoy with my friends. And if I am talking about my expectations, so maybe it can be the greediness. But of course, I would love to get guitar and harmoniums and microphone, this kind of stuff I want to get from my friends. But it is greediness. I don't want to. I want to purchase from my own money. But of course, I'm expecting if I would love to go anywhere, the people they would give me a lot more present. But it is not good thing actually. To be honest, I would love to enjoy with my friends without paying and without taking anything. I would love to enjoy. I would love to do fun because it is all about the true friendship. And so I want to go anywhere. I do have the few best friends. So in the future, if I will plan, so on my birthdays, I would love to go any good place and the visiting place, and there will I enjoy. I would like to do this. Yeah.
Great, great. No, rather than gifts, like no, we like their love and their blessings a lot. It's
Exactly.
like it's a respectable manner, and it's like it's a very pleasure thing to us.
Yeah, if they're donating their time to us, that's more than enough.
Exactly, exactly. Do you think like Ashutosh, like our birthdays are very important to like celebrate in our life? Do you think? What do you think about that?
Yeah, it differs to person. It is not playing a vital role in my life. I told you, I used to live in a hostel, so that's why I was not celebrating, because even though there was a lot more fear of expenses, and the second thing, of course, it's not that much important. I mean to say that. But of course, if you are getting good friends and they are just demanding, and if you think like you can be really happy and it can be the one of the best day of your year, so of course you can enjoy that, because nowadays we are too busy in our professional life and we don't have that much time to meet with our friends. So only the birthday is the occasion where you can just invite your friends and you can do fun. Because on the mostly we are inviting to the relatives on festivals like Delhi and like Diwali and Holi and like stuff. But on birthdays, this is especially for the friends. Mostly we are giving preference to the friends. So this is the one day where you can call them and you can enjoy a lot, right?
Exactly, exactly. So like one of the one day is like special, like in our life, and is like that. Obviously, it's a birthday. Then like some some countries, some people they wantedly are it's like their ritual things. Like they have to celebrate like birthday. What do you think about that? Do you believe on that thing?
Yeah, which kind of, I mean to say that birthday in a really grand manner.
It means like in their culture, it's a one of the like a best occasion, like a birthday celebration. What do you think about that?
Yes, but it is really famous in the Western culture, first thing. Even though we are also moving towards it, so nowadays we are just really dying for the photo shoot. It doesn't matter you're happy or not, but cake and photo, I think, just selfie and the pout and lots more things are there. They would like to click over just I celebrated the birthday of my friend and it was really enjoying. So this is really in the good in the Western culture. So that's why in foreign countries they're just used to just do a lot more things on birthdays. But in India, already we do have a lot more occasions. That's why we are not giving that much importance to birthdays only. But in like Eastern, I think if you're talking about the Christian people, so they do have like 25th of the December, like Christmas and Easter, except that they don't have a lot more festivals like Indians. So that's why mostly they are going for the birthdays, anniversaries, and like this kind of stuff. Yeah.
Great. Did you give any gift like to your friends up to now on their birthday and your friend's birthday?
Yes, I did. Yeah, I did. Of course, I think, I gave to my one friend. I think he was the good friend of mine. So I offered him something like there was a photo and a kind of, a teddy bear or something. And of course, I think there was a greeting card and something like that. Yeah, I did that.
Great, great. Yeah, great to hear. Like yeah, definitely it's like very, like awesome day in everyone's like birthday celebration and everything. Yeah. Thank you, Ashu. And it was like fun talking conversation, and it was a privileged conversation between us. And I hope like you love our conversation, and everyone love our conversation. Thank you so much here for making conversation with me. Thank you so much. And like please,
Yeah.
yeah, please like, share, and please do subscribe and like now for me your motivation and hit the
So
bell
please
button for
do it
the
for
amazing.
Lakshmi, ma'am.
What happened?
Yeah, I'm saying please do it for Lakshmi, ma'am. Please like, comment, and share our videos. So maybe it will be really helpful for you guys as well. So thank
Definitely.
you and bye
Yeah.
bye. Take care.
Yeah, bye bye. Take care. Thank you for watching. Yeah, bye bye. Take care. All the best for everyone. Bye bye.